Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to create this cheers loop effect. Clip 1. Take a video of this cheers movement. Clip 2. Scroll to where your drinks and food touch. Now hold that frame up towards the camera, then record the cheers movement again. Download InShot on the App Store or Google Play Store. Import your videos into InShot. Scroll to the start of the second clip, then add a keyframe. Pinch to zoom in on the video on your mobile phone so it matches the previous clip. And zoom out of the video back to the original size so you'll get a smooth transition like this. Repeat the step for the next video, and you'll get this attention-grabbing loop effect. Here are the final results.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.